First, you will need to bring an emergency kit. In times like a wildfire, an extreme amount of people can get injured and there could be high risk of deaths. In order to stay safe and treat things like wounds and burns, you will need a first aid kit. This kit contains things such as bandages, wraps, medicine, and much more. Water is an extremely important element and everyone needs it to survive. During a wildfire, you need water, especially since the smoke will make you more thirsty. You will also be waiting outside for a long time, so you need some water to keep you hydrated. You will also need some water to wash up any smoke or ash that gets on you. Flashlights are extremely important if this event is occurring at night. Once you get out of your house, you might not be able to see anything. You can also trip or fall on something in the dark if you don't have a flashlight. But you should also be careful with flashlights because it can cause an electrical fire. A weather radio is important because you will need to know how the fire is doing, whether it stopped or grew. It also tells you when to do things. For example, if you have a plan ahead and the weather radio has informed everyone the fire has started, you can evacuate immediately. Face masks are very important because they protect you a lot from the smoke. This smoke is very hazardous and can harm your lungs, so a face mask will help. It's also helpful if you use more than one mask to keep you extra safe. A good mask to use in this situation is an N95 mask because it is very thick. Some of them also has a filter for germs. Canned food is also very important because you don't know how long you will be outside. This is why you should keep some food on the side just in case you get a bit hungry. This is not required, but you may also bring drinks if you have some space in your bag. To sum it all up, you will need a backpack to hold everything together. A travel bag works great because it has many compartments and a big amount of space. And it is good quality, which is good because although we can add a small rip. You can also get one with a handle because it's going to be very heavy. In this figure, there are about 5 exits. The living room and garage exits are the main exits and the easiest too, depending on the direction the fire is coming from. If these are blocked, there are also 3 remaining exits, but they are harder to get out of. So make sure to have a plan with your family so you know what to do. All your supplies should be in a backpack ready to go. Make sure you already have discussed who takes the backpack. When it's time, evacuate immediately until you can get out, and when it's ready, get out safely. If your clothes get caught on fire, then drop and roll to put out the flame. Keep your mask on at all times so you don't inhale the smoke.